Hello everyone, I am Sarika Silal doing research under the guidance of Dr. Jawahar IM. My field of research is in organic phosphors, in which I am trying to develop certain novel red phosphors for various technological applications, including optical thermometry, white light emitting diodes, and indoor plant growth LEDs. We all know that conventional light sources such as incandescent lamps and fluorescent lamps have low energy conversion efficiency. These common sources of artificial lighting can convert Earth energy resources mostly into waste heat and greenhouse gases. The increased energy consumption and the evidences that we are getting from pollution driven climate changes demand that we should reduce the energy and environmental cost of these forms of artificial lighting by means of improving the performances of conventional light sources and by means of developing new forms of light emitting devices. Light emitting diodes or LEDs is an energy efficient technology in the current scenario as well as for the future owing to its low energy consumption, longer lifetime, high energy conversion efficiency, and environmental friendliness. The invention of blue LED has become a major breakthrough in the development of today's omnipresent white LEDs. Compared to other conventional light sources, white LEDs has enhanced energy conversion efficiency and durability. There are different methods for fabricating white LEDs. Among them, the most common strategy is the phosphor converted approach, in which an yellow emitting phosphor or luminescent material is coated on the surface of a blue LED. However, these white LEDs suffer from low luminous efficacy due to the lack of efficient red emitting component. Red light emitting devices or red LEDs have become a breakthrough in plant cultivation researches since red and far red light serve important functions in different stages of plant growth, including photosynthesis and photomorphogenesis. Additionally, in addition to all these, optical thermometry or optical temperature sensing based on red phosphors is a promising method to gather large-scale imaging and contactless temperature measurement. This method is based on measuring the change in luminescent intensity against temperature when interacting with physical systems. Thus, it is essential to synthesize and characterize novel red phosphors for various technological applications. In order to develop novel red phosphors, we require a suitable host matrix and an activate ion. The activate ion usually used are rare earth ions as well as certain non-rare earth ions like Mn4+. And the host matrix that we used here are double perovskite.